Okay, I just got something super exciting in my inbox. Let's unbox Dorin AI from AppSumo together right now. The anticipation is real. AI writing tools always get me hyped. Here's the clean, modern Dorin AI logo on my screen. First impressions, the interface looks sleek and intuitive. Setup took less than 2 minutes. Seriously fast onboarding. Let's test it out by replying to a comment on Twitter. I type my prompt, and Dorin AI instantly suggests a reply. Wow, the tone matches my style. Supernatural, not robotic. Now let's try posting in a Facebook group. I enter a topic, and Dorin AI drafts a thoughtful post. I barely have to edit. This saves me so much time. Next, I'm replying to a LinkedIn message. Dorin AI generates a professional, concise response instantly. It even adapts to different platforms' vibes automatically. Let's look at the sidebar integration. Super handy. It sits quietly on any web page, ready to help anytime. No more switching tabs or copying and pasting content. I love how it's always accessible, no matter the site. The productivity boost is honestly impressive for busy days. I can reply to dozens of comments in minutes. For content creators, this means more engagement, less burnout. Social media managers, imagine handling multiple accounts effortlessly. Even busy professionals can maintain online presence easily. Let's dive into the features that really stand out. First, AI-powered writing assistants, everywhere you browse. Second, seamless integration, no extra windows or apps needed. Third, customizable tone and style for any audience. Fourth, lightning-fast suggestions, even for complex topics. Fifth, supports replies, posts, and comments universally. Sixth, works across all major social and professional platforms. Seventh, intuitive controls, no learning curve at all. Eighth, privacy-focused, with no data leaks or spam. Ninth, consistent updates and responsive support team. 10th, available at a killer deal on AppSumo right now. My favorite aspect, the time it saves me daily. I can focus on creativity, not repetitive typing. The AI suggestions feel genuinely helpful, not generic. It's like having a personal writing assistant 24/7. I've tried other tools, but Dorin AI stands out. The seamless workflow integration is a total game changer. No more writer's block or awkward silences online. If you're overwhelmed by messages or comments, this is gold. I recommend Dorin AI for anyone managing lots of content, especially if you're a content creator or social manager. Busy professionals will appreciate the instant productivity boost. But if you want full manual control, it may not suit. For me, the pros massively outweigh any cons here, and the AppSumo deal makes it a no-brainer investment. Ready to level up your online writing game? Grab Dorin AI on AppSumo before the deal ends. Links below. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Let me know in the comments if you try Dorin AI. I'll be sharing more tips and tricks soon. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews and recommendations.